I'm Captain Rob Ferris. This is my fishing partner Donnie Johnson. We are down here in Galveston, Texas to fish the GoPro Redfish Cup. It's 850 miles to here. Mako built me a nice new tower boat that I'm going to try to get in skinny with. I really bought the boat to go find fish in the shallow areas, the marshes and the creeks and the bayous. There's a couple different ways to go catch fish in Galveston. There's going to be folks fishing the jetty walls, and there's going to be people fishing the bays, Trinity Bay, East Bay, West Bay, trying to find those slicks. Then you've got the anglers that are going to run south and run north as far as they can, stay in Texas waters, and fish those marshes that they're comfortable with. Cuts in the intercoastal, washouts. Fish on. Nice fish, I think. Yes. Fishing for me started really young. You just grow up, and it's something that you just can't get away from. It's a passion. I absolutely love this.